This audio is brought to you by B, the parenting app.
Child asking too many questions. My child is asking too many questions. How to handle this? When a toddler asks you a question, either it comes out of curiosity or it could be just attention seeking. Figure out if your child needs your undivided attention or not. If yes, please give proper attention. In the times of social media and technology all around, a child misses that personal time with parents, and so he or she might be asking questions in an attempt that you pay attention to them. But sometimes it is just curiosity. For a few initial years, a child comes across so many things that he or she hasn't seen or heard about. So, he or she will have a few questions almost every day. It is always best to satisfy their curiosity and never shush them. The problem arises when they ask too many questions, which ultimately annoys parents to a limit that they lose patience. How to deal with this? Acknowledge their questions and postpone it until a more convenient time. For example, your child doesn't eat spinach and asks you, "Why should I eat it?" You can always say, "I understand you don't like it, but let's talk about its value after dinner. You have it now, and I will tell you how it has benefited you when we talk." You need to answer them later without fail on due time. Don't be afraid to say, "I don't know." Sometimes parents get exhausted trying to come up with answers to all the questions a child has particularly asked when they don't know anything about that field. In that cases, you can always say, "I don't know." In such cases, tell them, "That is a great question. I don't know exactly about it right now, but we can find out later this night or maybe on the weekend." Whenever you postpone, be specific about the timings and discuss about it. Stick to your own words. How about asking them questions instead of getting angry and shooing them away? For example, when the child asks, "Why should he or she be eating spinach?" ask him, what does he or she think will happen if he or she doesn't eat it? If your child asks, "Why can't he or she have ice cream?" when he is suffering from cold, you can ask him, what does he think about it? Keep cool when you say that. Be ready and patient to listen to their answers. You can also make a list of questions or ask them to do so on a sheet of paper, notebook, or maybe they just can stick on the fridge. Fix a convenient time in a week and solve their queries. These all things can take a lot of time, but by doing this, you are encouraging their curiosity. In case, if you have 20 questions at the end of the first week, ask your child to select 10. Like this, you will know about their thought process and ideas too. For more insights, download B, the parenting app. Thank you.